Hello, hello, hello. Hey, y'all. Let me take this out. How y'all doing today? 1 second, I gotta turn my bright light on. Is that better? 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 Okay. I'm done being silly. Y'all, we about to cook. Dun, 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 dun. I'm making wingdings. I'm making wingdings. Yeah, I'm making wingdings. Make my little wingdings, y'all. All right. Where do we start? We using the air fryer tonight, y'all. Let me bring y'all. Y'all seem so far away. Come close. Be my friend. Hey, friend. Let's plug the air fryer in. Ooh, wrong way. Wrong way. Y'all look. I buy these for the air fryer. It makes for easy cleanup. You just sit it inside, and that's what we're gonna sit our little wingdings on. And as y'all can see, I seasoned them earlier to get that good flavor. All right, oh child, I better have some flour. All right, some flour. I'm just gonna use this bowl. I bought these bowls, look y'all, I think I was at, ShopRite. And I bought these little bowls. I thought they were so cute. They was like $1. And I said, let me get them little bowls. Matter of fact, I can just all this right over here. I want y'all to be able to see what that say. Oh. I just did an order from Shein, y'all, and now they just keep sending me emails and stuff for me to do more. Please, honey, listen. Your girl's a little overweight, so please forgive me if y'all can hear me breathing, okay? I'm fat, y'all. I'm fat. Put a little bit of flour. Y'all always season my flour, always. I love the sassoon, honey. Everybody hip to this, but back in the day when I first started using it, a lot of black folks didn't know about the sassoon, honey. Didn't know. But you always want to season your flour. Look at this mop and stuff. All right. Y'all, my trash can't keep opening up. I don't put no salt or no pepper in my flour because I don't know if y'all know. If you've been coming to my channel, you know salt is like poison to people with kidney disease, so no salt. All right. Let's get the little air fryer. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Okay. It's not going to stick, y'all, but I spray it anyway. This is a good spray. The Crisco butter. Y'all, so good. It literally tastes like butter. I said, okay. You just flour them like that. Make sure you get the flour all on there. Ooh. Y'all see, I want y'all to be able to see. Yeah, there you go. See what I'm doing. So you just put the flour on it. Put it in there, child. These are my things, the flats. Why are they so big? Look at that. I love the flats. Make You shake it off, honey, before you lay it up in there. And you want to lay it face up. And you want to put them on 400 for 15 minutes. And I'm going to show y'all how they come out. I don't like the drums, y'all. I'm a flats girl. I ain't got time for them drums. It's so big. Use no egg or nothing, girl. And then you just want to take the spray, take your little cooking spray, and you just want to dust them. Just dust them a little bit. And we're going to put these over here in the air fryer. Put them in the air fryer on 400 for 15 minutes. 15 minutes, y'all. That's first batch in. Y'all see all these wings? I had quite a few batches because I think I put in there 4 or 5 of them. I think it's like 20 wings right here. I mean 20 wingettes. I was gonna cook last night, but the little DoorDasher child, he was supposed to come be here with my groceries by like can't get this. Be here with my groceries by like 5:59. That was the original time. Child, he did not get here. Okay, what's the problem? He did not get here until about 7:15. Y'all, I was pissed, okay? I was pissed. Like, sir, what are you doing? I was pissed. I said, what are you doing? Where he been at? Youngest thing gonna play with me, right? So what's going on here? Y'all know I ain't got no darn patience, right? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. There you go. All right, what else did I say I was making, y'all? Wingdings. See, I did my nails over again, y'all. Y'all, I stayed doing my nails over because these press-on fake nails, they be popping off and doing all kinds of stuff. They just be acting up, so I did them over. Oh, sorry. All right. That's what I said I was making. Spanish rice. I made some Spanish rice, and I haven't made it in a while. Nice and crispy. We're gonna see how the first batch come out. Because I would like for the wings to be crispy, but we're gonna see how the first batch. I thought this was a bargain, like a non-name brand cooking spray, but I see it's Crisco. Alright. I think that's it. Y'all, I repotted my plant today. Y'all see my video when I was at Home Depot. See, it's dying up there. See? But I repotted it today. So we're going to see if it takes on life, honey. We're going to see. Just a little bit of water, child. You get a water, honey. They said this dirt prevents you from overwatering it, and we're gonna see. You know, when I bring my baby back to life, I just let her sit in that rotted dirt for so long. And I really want to bring her back to life. That was one of my first plants that I ever bought. And I just let her sit over there and just meet her demise, child. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Let's take these out. I'm gonna make some Spanish rice. That's what we put in that. I got my frijoles, my negras, and my olives. I like olives. Ooh, they salty as hell. Okay, I'm gonna be eating that. I forgot the pancake syrup. And Lord knows, that little boy, his first batch, look, his first batch of making pancakes, that syrup will be gone. So I definitely got to get some pancake syrup. It's a lot of wingdings in there, y'all. It's a lot of wingdings. All right, that's it. I'm waiting on the water to boil for the rice. And we're gonna cook this rice up. And that's about it. Wow, they're way down to 9 minutes. This hair keep getting in my face. It's so itchy. Whew. I like this little hair. They said it's supposed to be 24 inches. I'm really not sure about that, but I like the hair. It's nice and soft. I like that, no shedding. So, I do like that. I might curl it later and then wrap it up tonight, so when I let it down tomorrow, before I go to the treatment, I won't have to do anything to it. Just let it down. The curls will already be there. Because I'll be leaving here at the crack of ass, and I don't be worried about how I look. I really don't. My hair, nothing. I don't. I ain't even gonna hold you. Should I make the bacon and put it in the... Should I make the bacon and put it in the rice? I think we're gonna have this without bacon tonight. Okay? We don't need it. I don't need it. Look how puffy I am. We gon' make it. We gon' make it. Right. Clean that up. Say we got a package. 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 Okay. Follow me. Alrighty. Well, I actually could have left that on. To be honest. Ooh, child. Don't you drop this laptop, Rose. Don't you do it. Whew. Yo, it's hot over here in this kitchen. It's hot. Child. All right. Come on, gang. Follow me. Okie dokie. Bring her down, honey. Ooh. Ooh. It's hot. It's about heavy. Ooh. Ooh, it's heavy enough, y'all. Oh, whew, that is heavy. Why would they do that? It's heavy, yo. See, we got y'all. Ooh. Yeah, pop off. Y'all know these pressing will be popping off, child.